Welcome back to the Next Level Interiors. If you dream of having a kitchen that look beautiful, work smart and make cooking enjoyable, this video is made just for you. Today we are talking about luxury modular kitchen 2026 design and smart kitchen idea that will change the way you look at your cooking space. From stylish layout to modern technology, from color idea to smart storage, everything in this video will help you design your dream kitchen. So sit back, relax and watch till the end. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Next Level Interior for more home design idea and interior inspiration every day. A luxury modular kitchen is not just a place to cook, it is lifestyle upgrade. In 2026, modular kitchens are becoming more intelligent, stylish and comfortable. The word modular means your kitchen is built from small units or modulate that fit together perfectly, like drawers, cabinets and shelves, all customized to your need. The luxury part comes from the use of premium materials, smooth finishes and smart technology that makes your daily work easy and efficient. The goal is to create a space that looks elegant and feel comfortable every single day. In 2026, kitchen layouts are becoming more open and interactive. The most popular design is the Iceland kitchen, which looks stunning in open plan homes. The Iceland becomes the heart of the kitchen, where family and friends can sit, eat and talk. The L-shaped and U-shaped kitchen are still favorite for people who want efficient working area and more storage space. The parallel kitchen is perfect for small apartment because it saves space and allows smooth movement. Another modern layout is the peninsula kitchen, where one side of the counter is attached to a wall but still gives you an Iceland feel. This layout focuses on keeping the space functional, clean and clutter-free. When we talk about luxury, material and finishes play a very important role. In 2026, eco-friendly and sustainable materials are trending. People love quartz and granite countertops for their durability and shine. Matte finish cabinets are very popular because they are smooth, elegant and don't show fingerprint easily. Adding glass or metal accent give a futuristic touch with natural wood texture and warmth and a homely feeling. Lighting is another key element in a luxury kitchen. LED strip light under cabinets, pendant light over Iceland and smart color changing light make your kitchen glow beautifully both day and night. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, smart kitchen technology. 2026 is all about smart living. Imagine control your light, refrigerator and on with your voice. Voice control appliances like Alexa or Google Home are becoming common in modern kitchens. A smart refrigerator can show you what's inside, remind you about expiry dates and even suggest recipes based on your ingredient. Sensor faucets help you save water and stay hygienic. Some countertops now come with wireless charging zones so you can charge your phone just by placing it on the surface. Touchless drawers and cabinets open automatically when you wave your hand, making your kitchen experience more stylish and futuristic. Color play a big role in creating mood and luxury. The 2026 color trending for kitchen are elegant, simple and calming. Soft beige and warm grey tone give a minimal yet cozy feeling. Matte black with gold accent creates a bold and royal look. Pastel greens and blue add freshness and make the kitchen feel more natural. And of course, the classic white with wooden texture combination will never go out of style. For a modern twist, use two-tone color combinations such as black lower cabinet with white uppers or grey with wood tone. This makes your kitchen visually stunning and well balanced. A luxury modular kitchen is always organized. Smart storage and organization idea help you keep the kitchen clutter-free. Pull-out pantry units are great for easy access to groceries. Corner closets make use of every hidden space, soft close drawer and that smooth, silent touch to your kitchen. Built-in organization and hidden dustbin keep everything clean and stylish. Remember, a luxury kitchen is not just about how it looks but also how efficient it works. In 2026, luxury kitchen also being eco-friendly. The trends of sustainable kitchen is growing fast. Use energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and material made from recycled wood or glass. Add a few indoor plants or a small herb garden near your window. It brings freshness and nature into your kitchen. Smart living is not only about comfort but also about caring for the environment. Before you start designing your kitchen, keep a few things in mind. Always make sure your space properly so every module fits perfectly. Choose a layout that suits your lifestyle. Plan your lighting and electric point early. Invest in good quality hardware and hinges because they last longer and make a big difference in daily use. Don't forget to think about ventilation and natural light. This makes your kitchen look and feel better. A well-planned modular kitchen adds value to your home and make daily life much easier. So, this was your guide to luxury modular kitchen 2026 design and smart kitchen ideas. We have seen how modern technology, smart layouts, premium material, and eco-friendly thinking are shaping the kitchen of the future. Whether you want a high-end luxury look or a modern smart kitchen setup, the key is to balance beauty and functional. Your kitchen should be a space where design meets comfort, technology make lifestyle. Your kitchen should be a space where design meets comfort and technology make life simple. If you enjoyed this video and got some great idea, please like these videos, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the Next Level Interior for more interior design inspiration. Tell us in the comment below which kitchen idea you loved the most or what kind of kitchen you dream about having in 2026. Thank you for watching, and remember, when it comes to interior, always think smart, live stylish, and take your home to the next level.